Good morning, everybody. In this class, we have to study about the nomenclature of ketone and other functional group. In previous classes, we have learned a large number of functional groups and their nomenclature like alcohol, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, acid halide and alkyl halide. But in this class, we shall study about the nomenclature of ketones. So, we can discuss over the nomenclature of ketone. This is nomenclature of ketone. This is the title for the nomenclature. We have to draw 7 different columns like previous functional group, and this column is for class name, this is for functional group, and this column is for general formula because GF stands for general formula. This is example. This column is for common name and this is for IUPAC name, and this is the structure or structure formula of the respective compound. Since we are reading the nomenclature of ketone, so the class name will be ketone and the IUPAC name will be written in the bracket in this way, because we have to use such IUPAC name in this column. So the IUPAC name of ketone is alkanone. This is functional group of ketone, we can write in this way also. This is the same thing. GF stands for general formula, and this bond is linked with alkyl group, that is, two alkyl groups of either side of it can be given. This is example. In case of alkyl group, we can take methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. Different groups can also be taken, but same groups are also taken. In case we take only methyl group in either side of it, then this is methyl group and methyl group, two methyl groups are added in either side of it. So the common name of such compound is dimethyl ketone. This is methyl, this is methyl. There will be two methyl group, and di for 2 and tri for 3. So only two groups are possible, and two methyl groups are same group, that is why we can give the name of such compound is dimethyl ketone. In case of IUPAC name of such compound, we see that the IUPAC name will be alkanone. So in order to write the IUPAC name, we can count the total number of carbon atoms. The total number of carbon atoms are found to be 3. In case of 3 carbon, the parent hydrocarbon will be propane, and the IUPAC name will be alkanone. So the name of such compound is propanone. This is the propanone. 2 is given for this group because the carbonyl group is present at second carbon atom. This is first carbon atom, second carbon atom and third carbon atom. In this case, the functional group ketone is present at 2 carbon atom. So in the IUPAC name of such compound, digit 2 is given. That is, 3 carbon is for propane and 2 for carbonyl group. This is carbonyl group present at second carbon atom, and we can use ONA in the last of such words as propane 2,1, and this is the structure of the compound. The common name of this compound is dimethyl ketone. It is also known as acetone. Dimethyl ketone is also known as acetone, so we can write the name of such compound as acetone. We have to take another group also. This is the ethyl group. We can put ethyl, methyl, propyl, butyl, any group can be given. In case we have to put two same group, the name of such compound will be diethyl ketone, because both the groups are ethyl group. So 2 ethyl groups are present and di for 2. So the name of such compound is diethyl ketone. In case of IUPAC name, we have to count the total number of carbon atom. We have total number of 5 carbon atoms here. So the name of such compound will be pentanone. Since carbonyl group is present at third carbon atom. In case we have to count the number of carbon atom from left side, so the carbonyl group is present at third carbon atom. In case we have to count from right side, only third carbon atom is given. So the name of such compound is pentane 3 on pentane 4 5 carbon atom and 3 4 carbonyl group, because carbonyl group is present at third carbon atom, where we have to start from left or right only 3 carbon atoms regarding carbonyl group. In case we have to give different alkyl groups like methyl and ethyl, then the name of such compound is ethyl methyl ketone. This is methyl group, this is ethyl group. Ethyl group contains maximum number of carbon atom and propyl is the minimum number of carbon atom. But according to IUPAC system, the naming of such compound is in the form of alphabetical order. So first we give ethyl and then methyl, because letter E comes before the letter M. That is why the name of such compound is ethyl methyl ketone. In case of IUPAC name, we have to count total number of carbon atom 2, 3 and 4. That will 4 carbon atom, and 4 carbon atom is for butane. So the IUPAC name will be butane 2 on. 2 is given because carbonyl group is present at second carbon atom. If we count the number of carbon atom from left side, this is 4 second carbon. In case we have to count the number of carbon atom from right side, the carbonyl group present at 3 carbon atom. But according to IUPAC system, minimum digit can be given as functional group. So the name of such compound will be butane 2 on, and this is the structure. Carbonyl group is present in the middle of the compound. In the left side, the total number of carbon atom is given. Same in the case of right side, the total number of carbon atom can be given with the help of tetravalency of carbon, and all the tetravalency of carbon can be fulfilled by hydrogen atom. In case we put ethyl or propyl group, then the name of such compound will be ethyl propyl ketone. E letter comes before the letter P, that is why the name of such compound is ethyl propyl ketone. In case of IUPAC name, we have to count the total number of carbon atom. The total number of carbon atoms are found to be 6. The compound will be hexanone, and or call it as hexane 3 on, because carbonyl group is present at third carbon atom. In case we count the number of carbon atoms from the left side. In case we count from right side, carbonyl group will be present at fourth carbon atom. According to IUPAC system, functional group is given the minimum place, so we can write hexane 3 on. In the same case, in case we have to give the same alkyl groups like propyl group in either side of it, the name of such compound will be dipropyl ketone, because this is a propyl group, this is also propyl group. So total number of propyl group will be 2 and di for 2, that is why we call it a dipropyl ketone. In case of IUPAC name, we write as heptane 4 on, since total number of carbon atom are found to be 7. So the parent hydrocarbon will be heptane, and the name of such compound in IUPAC system as heptane 4 on. This is the structure. In this way, large number of compounds can be written in case we have to give different functional group in either side of it, and same functional group can also be given. But one thing we have to see, that the total number of carbon atom cannot exceed more than 10, because only 10 carbon atoms can be given in the form of parent hydrocarbon. In case more than 10 carbon atoms are present, that compound will be complex organic compound, and the branches occurred in such compound. So we have to take only up to 10 carbon atoms to give the name of such compounds in all the cases. In this way, we see that the nomenclature of ketone is completed. In the same manner, we can write the names of another functional group also, like ether. So the next functional group will be ether. So we can write the nomenclature of ether in the same manner. We have to also draw 7 different columns like the nomenclature of ketone for further nomenclature of different types of functional group. नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ ईथर, ईथर का नामकरण. दिस इज द नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ ईथर. This is the name as title, so the letter E is given as capital. We have to draw 7 different columns. This column is for class name. This is for functional group and this is for general formula. This is for example, this is for common name and this column is for IUPAC name. This is structure. Ether is another class, so in the column of class we can write as ether. Ether is another class. IUPAC name of ether is alkoxyalkane. Alkoxyalkane we can write in the bracket because we have to use such name in this column. This is the IUPAC name. FG stands for functional group. GF stands for general formula. This is example, common name, IUPAC name and structure of ether. Functional group of ether is bond, O bond, and either side of it alkyl group will be added. So the general formula will be ROR. Example will be CH3OCH3. We can take alkyl group as methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. Both the group will be same as well as different. So same group will be taken in case the name of such compound is dimethyl ether. So the common name of such compound is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl is for 2-methyl group. IUPAC name of ether is alkoxyalkane. 2 words are involved here. One of the word is alkoxy, another word is alkane. So we can write methoxymethane, alkoxy for methoxy and alkane for methane, because either side of the functional group only methyl group is present. So we can write in the form of IUPAC name as methoxymethane. Methoxymethane. A structure of such compound is like that. In this way, the first compound is completed. We can again see this is the functional group for ether, and this bond will be linked with alkyl group. An alkyl group is such a group that can be obtained by the removal of only one hydrogen atom from alkane. So it is called alkyl group. Generally it is denoted by capital R. This is methyl group, this is also methyl group, two methyl group are present. So the name of such compound is dimethyl ether, and IUPAC name of such compound is alkoxyalkane. So in case of these words only one carbon atom is present, so the name of such compound is methoxymethane. This is for methane and this is also for methane, so methoxymethane. Another compound will be C2H5O, C2H5, two ethyl groups are present. The name of such compound is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. IUPAC name will be ethoxyethane. Ethoxyethane. A structure will be like that. This is the structure or structure formula of diethyl ether. In case different alkyl groups are used, so the name of such compound will be ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. IUPAC name will be methoxyethane, and the structure will be like that. We can again see this compound contains two different alkyl groups. One of the alkyl group is methyl, another is ethyl group. So we can write ethyl first, because in alphabetical order the letter E comes before the letter M. According to IUPAC system, alphabetical order can also be followed in this regard. So the common name of such compound is ethyl methyl ether. But in case of IUPAC name, XY can be added in lower carbon atom and ANE can be used in case of higher carbon atom. Methyl group contains minimum carbon atom, so XY can be added. So methoxyethane is the name of such compound. In case of C2H5O, C2H5, common name of such compound is, this is written in the second compound, so we can change the alkyl group. C3H7. So the common name will be ethyl propyl ether. Ethyl propyl ether. IUPAC name will be ethoxypropane. Ethoxypropane, and the structure will be like that. In this way, we can write more and more number of compounds of ether. We can either take same alkyl group or different alkyl group. In case of same alkyl group, the word di can be used. This is the dimethyl ether, and IUPAC name will be methoxymethane. This is methoxy and this is for methane. This is also the same alkyl group in this case. So the name of such compound is diethyl ether, and the IUPAC name will be ethoxyethane. Ethoxy for this group and ethane for this group. But we have to remember one thing, XY can be added in lower carbon atom and ANE can be used for higher carbon atom. This is the rule. So in the third compound we see that the common name will be ethyl methyl ether. We cannot write as methyl ethyl ether because ethyl start from letter E and methyl start from the letter M, and letter E comes before the letter M, and IUPAC rules and technique tells us we have to follow alphabetical order. So the name of such compound is ethyl methyl ether in case of common name. But in case of IUPAC name, XY can be used in case of lower carbon atom and NA can be used in case of higher carbon atom. So the IUPAC name of such compound is methoxyethane. Similarly, lower carbon atom in case of ethyl group and maximum carbon atom in case of propyl group. So XY can be added in this group and ANE can be added in this group. So the IUPAC name of such compound is ethoxypropane. But the common name will be ethyl propyl ether. In this way, we can write more and more number of compounds of ether giving same group or different groups. So we see that in this regard, we have to name different compounds of ether, and ether is the class name, and these are the member of this class like dimethyl ether, diethyl ether, dipropyl ether, methyl propyl ether. These all are different members of the class ether. So here class name is given, and for the whole class IUPAC name will be alkoxyalkane that we have to use in this column. And FG for functional group, GF4 general formula. So we have to start like that another functional group in the next class. So we will meet in the next class. Thanks.